Okay, we're out here with the Dynasoar Rocketry Stratodart X. I'm about to maiden it on electric power. Don't have long because my transmitter battery is complaining. We're going to fly this on a 3S 350, just a light little battery. Hopefully it'll go okay. It's kind of nose heavy, so we'll see. Well, that didn't work so well. Okay, so yeah, 2 failed attempts, and I understand why now. I wasn't thinking about it at the time. If you notice, once it gets up to speed, the airplane flies great, and the reason for that is a 3 by 5.2 prop, so on launch it's stalled out. So I don't know if you noticed, it sank there for a while and then it got up to speed and took off, and that's because the propeller comes unstalled after that point, and then everything works great. So yeah, this, not surprisingly, I mean, the plane handles great. No bad habits at all. It's a good flying airplane. It's one of Frank Burke's designs, one of his kits, more to the point. So we're going to launch it on rocket power later, but I just wanted to get a feel for how it flies as an electric first, just to see how it handles. And it handles very nicely, very light wing loading. It's nimble on its feet. It's actually very nose heavy with that battery in there, and still handles beautifully. So wide CG range on this. Highly recommended. I guess next thing is we'll fire it up on a rocket and we'll go from there. Okay, so we're out here with the Dynasoar Rocketry Stratodart X. This is its first ever rocket-powered flight. I've already flown it electric, as you have seen. So we're loaded up, we're ready to go, armed and everything. Kind of breezy out here. I'm anticipating, I don't remember what altitude he says, but it's a good ways up there. I'm thinking about 400 feet, something like that. Anyway, he's going to get up there pretty good. Hope you'll want to film a little bit from behind here. Okay, so controls are correct. We are in launch mode. So, maiden rocket launch of the Stratodart X. In 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Oh yeah. Love it. Love it. No bad habits at all, no trim changes or anything. It's not every day you can take a maiden flight and basically plop it at your feet like that. So yeah, these things, the Dynasoar kits, as far as just a nice sport rocket-powered RC model, this is really nice. This is really, really nice. Fairly straightforward to build. They're with a few aftermarket tweaks, you can set them up as electric, as you've seen. I like them. I really like them. Give Frank's business some love, because yeah, this is a great way to get into rocket-powered RC. But yeah, give Frank's business some love, because these are good, and we want to keep these. I want to see these continue to be on the market. So see y'all.